Hello students, we are solving a question which can be a subjective question or which can be in the form of a case study question. The question here is two free point charges A and B having charge plus Q and plus 4Q respectively are at a distance L apart. A third charge is to be placed that the entire system is in equilibrium. On this basis, we have to solve the question. The first question is saying the third charge should be placed, option A, left of A at a distance 1 by 3 from A, right of A at a distance 1 by 3 from B, option C, between A and B at a distance 2L by 3 from A, and option D, between A and B at a distance of L by 3 from A. So now here, since the two charges are given to us are positive charges, then the system is to be in equilibrium. The net force on each charge should be 0. So here I draw a diagram. This is point A and this is point B. This is having a charge Q and this is having a charge 4Q. Now if I move to the left of side A, the force by A will be on the left side, force by B will be on the left side, so it cannot give net force 0. On the right of B, the force because of charge at A will be to the right and force because of charge B will also be to the right. Hence, on the right of B also, net force cannot be 0. It means we have to consider the third charge in between A and B. So suppose the total distance given to us between the two charges is L, and let the charge Q is placed at a distance x from A. Now the force acting by charge A, this is FA, and due to B it will be on to the left hand side FB. Since the system is in equilibrium, net force on B on charge Q should be 0. Therefore, we can say FA should be equal to FB. They are in opposite already, they are in opposite direction, so their magnitude should be equal. So now the force because of A is equals to KQQ upon x square is equals to force because of B is KQ into 4Q upon L minus x whole square. Now here we cancel out K, we cancel out capital Q and we cancel out small q. So we are left with 1 upon x square is equals to 4 upon L minus x whole square, taking the under root. 1 upon x is equals to 2 upon L minus x. Therefore, L minus x is equals to 2x, or L is equals to 3x. Therefore, x is equals to L by 3. So from the options we can see that option D is giving us between A and B at a distance L by 3 from A. So option D is correct answer. For first option, D becomes the correct answer. Now we solve the second question. Now we have to find out the value of the charge capital Q in terms of small q. Now on this we find force on say charge particle at point B. So force because of A is in this direction and force because of say this point is O is also in this direction. Since the system is in equilibrium, therefore force because of A plus force because of B should be 0. Therefore, force because of A is equals to minus force because of O. Force because of A is equals to K Q into 4Q upon L square is equals to minus force because of O is K Q into 4Q upon L minus this distance is from O to B is L minus x. So L minus x whole square. Now we cancel out K, we cancel out 4q. So what we are left with, q by L square is equals to minus q upon L. Now I am putting the value of x L by 3 whole square. So q by L square is equals to minus q. Taking the LCM, 3L minus L, 2L by 3 whole square, which gives us q by L square is equals to minus q by 4 by 9 L square. Now our L square gets cancelled. Therefore, now q is equals to minus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 into capital Q. So, not capital Q, it is small q. We are finding out the value of capital Q. So, the result is capital Q is negative charge and its value is minus 4 by 9 small q. So, in options we find that option A is giving us capital Q is equals to minus 4 by 9 q. So, here in answer we are having answer as option A. So, option A is the answer. I hope you must have understood how to solve the case study question or a subjective question. And for more questions, do check out my other videos.